I spent one full week writing code only in Claude Code, then a second week only in Cursor. Same projects, same tasks, no cheating between them. Everyone frames these two as rivals, but by day 3 of week 2, I realized that's the wrong question. They're not really competing. They're built on two completely different bets about how you work with an AI. And once you see that split, it's obvious which one belongs on your machine. So let me show you both, honestly, and tell you the one I kept. Here's the whole comparison in one line. Cursor is an editor with an AI living inside it. Claude Code is an AI that lives in your terminal and reaches into your editor. Cursor is a fork of VS Code, so everything you know is right there: files, tabs, extensions, plus AI woven through it. Claude Code has no window of its own. You run it in the terminal, next to whatever editor you already use, and it reads and writes your files directly. Editor first versus terminal first. Keep that split in your head, because every difference that follows comes straight out of it. Round 1. The fast, everyday loop. This is Cursor's home turf. Its tab completion doesn't just finish a line. It predicts your next edit across the file and lets you accept it with one key. Highlight a few lines, hit the inline edit shortcut, describe the change in plain English, and watch it rewrite in place. For small, surgical edits, it feels like the code is reading your mind. Claude Code plays this loop differently. You don't nudge it token by token. You tell it what you want, and it goes and does it. For a 2-line tweak, that's slower. But that difference is the whole point, and it flips completely in round 2. Round 2, the big stuff. A feature that touches 8 files, a refactor across the whole project. Here Claude Code pulls ahead. With plan mode, it lays out exactly what it intends to change before touching anything, so you approve the approach up front. Then it works through the files on its own, and you can hand off pieces to sub-agents running in parallel. You describe the outcome, step back, and come back to a finished change. Cursor's agent mode does chase this too, and it's genuinely capable, but on sprawling multi-file work it wants your hand on the wheel more often. Claude Code is happier being trusted with the whole job. Round 3, money and lock-in. Cursor sells a pro plan around $20 a month, and for that you get the whole polished editor. But it is its own app. You move into Cursor, and your AI lives where Cursor lives. Claude Code comes with a Claude subscription or runs on the API, and because it sits in your terminal, it doesn't care what editor you keep open, versus Code, Neovim, JetBrains, whatever. Heavy agent use can burn through usage on either one, so watch that. The real question isn't the sticker price. It's whether you want to commit to one editor or bolt an agent onto the setup you already have. So where did it actually click? Week 2, a messy refactor across a dozen files. In Cursor I was flowing, accepting completions, tidying as I went, fully in the code. In Claude Code I wrote 2 sentences, approved a plan, and went to make coffee. I came back to the whole thing done. Neither felt wrong. They felt like different jobs. One kept me in the driver's seat and made me faster at it. The other took the wheel and freed me to think about what came next. That was the moment I stopped asking which one is better and started asking which one for which task. So here's the honest verdict. The one I kept open all day is Claude Code, because most of what eats my time is exactly the big, multi-file, describe it and let it run work it's best at, and it rides along with the editor I already like. But I did not delete Cursor, and that matters. For tight, in the file editing, the fast surgical loop, Cursor is still the nicest feeling I've used. This isn't a knockout. It's 2 tools optimized for 2 halves of the same day. So who should pick which? If you live inside your editor and want AI making you faster at hands-on coding, start with Cursor. If you'd rather delegate whole tasks and keep the editor you already have, start with Claude Code. And if you can, use both, Cursor for the fast loop, Claude Code for the heavy lifting. If you want the same head-to-head on the other big contender, I tested Windsurf too. That one's on screen now. Tell me in the comments which one you're on, Claude Code or Cursor.